In the substitution, until now we have seen many forms and questions. Now we are going to see trigonometric substitutions, means when you have a question and you find it fit to go with substitution, but you have to adopt the methodology adopt in trigonometric substitutions. So here is enlisted some expressions and here is the substitution that you have to follow. This chart, if you know, we have already studied in the previous chapters. This is just a recap. If somehow you have a square plus x square, then better go with the substitution x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. While if the second case is you have a square minus x square as the expression somewhere, then the x should be put as a sin theta or a cos theta for ease of the questions. Now, if the both cases are not there and you have x square minus a square, then what to do? Then better go with the formula of x is equal to a secant theta substitution or x is equal to a cosecant theta substitution. Why and how we have already seen in the previous chapters, and how to adopt this substitution we will be seeing in some questions. Last but not the least, if the expressions are of this kind, I mean under root and numerator and denominator, either a minus x or a plus x, numerator respectively, denominator respectively, or the interchange of these, that is a plus x upon a minus x, then better go with the substitution as x is equal to a cos 2 theta. So these are enlisted some expression and their substitutions. Things will be much more clear when we go about solving the questions on them.